Hello tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Talk, your go-to channel for the latest in tech innovations. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated release of the Apple AirPods Max 2. Let's explore what Apple has in store for us with their next-generation over-ear headphones. AirPods Max are the oldest current-generation AirPods product still in Apple's lineup. It's been over 3 years since Apple launched AirPods Max in December 2020, and only recently have we begun hearing rumors about Apple's plans for a new generation model that is coming later this year. According to well-connected Bloomberg reporter Mark Gurman, Apple will introduce a new version of the AirPods Max in late 2024. Here's what we expect from the new version of Apple's premium over-ear headphones, followed by some potential features that we hope to see but are still unconfirmed for AirPods Max 2. The AirPods Max 2 are expected to hit the market between late 2024 and early 2025. So, what can we expect from these new headphones? Let's break down the features and improvements. Firstly, the design of the AirPods Max 2 will be quite similar to the original. However, Apple plans to introduce fresh color options to keep things exciting and up-to-date with their latest product lines. According to Gurman, Apple will replace the Lightning port found on the current generation AirPods Max for a USB-C port. This will ensure the headphones comply with European regulations and will bring consistency across the company's AirPods lineup. This, of course, means AirPods Max 2 will come supplied with a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, rather than a Lightning to USB-C cable. Apple will also need to offer a USB-C to 3.5mm audio accessory cable so that users can plug AirPods Max 2 into 3.5mm audio ports. It would seem reasonable for AirPods Max 2 to feature the H2 chip, Apple's custom silicon chip designed specifically for earbuds and headphones. The H2 chip enables improved computational audio to enhance sound quality on the current generation AirPods Pro and improves battery life with better energy efficiency. Battery life remains impressive at around 20 hours per charge. Additionally, with Bluetooth 5.3, you can expect more reliable connections and improved energy efficiency. Apple will offer second-generation AirPods Max in fresh colors, according to an October 2023 Bloomberg report, although what those colors might be is currently unknown. And let's not forget about the smart case. Apple is rumored to redesign it, addressing the criticisms of the original case. This could mean better protection and a more practical design. Currently, Apple sells the AirPods Max for $549, a hefty price compared to the $169 that the AirPods third generation costs. For several reasons, such as the components and size of the product, the AirPods Max 2 price will be higher than any AirPod. The AirPods Max 2 promise to bring significant enhancements and new features to the table. Are you excited about this release? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Tech Talks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Wait for more videos.